Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me, but a memory spread. And I am actually using the leftovers from this Scribble Prints Co. kit. So here is the spread that I've already done in my everyday planner. And so I saved the bottom washi and stuff, well, a lot of stuff actually, for my memory spread. So I really love how this turned out and I'm excited to use the rest of this. So if you want to see that plan with me, it was up just a couple days ago. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to speed you up and do a voiceover, but let me show you what I have left of this kit. So I have 4 full boxes plus another one somewhere. So I put aside these 4, and then I have quite a few of these left. Lots of littles and washi. I still have some washi strips left and some headers. Icons, I have so much left. I was like too scared to use like too much in my regular planner and I just didn't use enough. So I have a lot to work with. And then here is the bottom washi and that extra full box. So like I said, I'm going to speed you up and do a voiceover for this week. So I'm putting down the bottom washi, which is this really cool like street scene from New York City. I like the little cabs. And then I'm putting the date strips across the top. I leave just a sliver of a white space between the boxes and the date strips. And here I'm cutting a flag, which is pointless because I'm about to cover it up. And then I'm just cutting another one for the other side since I used the flags in the other spread. And then I brought in this pink weekend banner from Libby & Co. because I needed a weekend banner and I kind of brought out the pink in the bottom washi of those little houses. And then I took this full box for my quote box. And then as usual, I took some washi and put the This Week header in the middle for my journaling section. And then I went ahead and put this paint tube full box down at the bottom on Monday. And then I'm just taking my Le Pen permanent to write in the dates. I probably could have done better with the dates, but I just was being lazy. So I'm putting down this half box for just to mark that it was a super busy day at work, and I put down the little blue clock with that. And now I'm cutting down my thumbnails of my videos for this week and popping those in so I don't forget, because the past couple of weeks I have actually forgotten and then had to move a bunch of stuff around, so I didn't want to forget this time. And I'm just using a dot runner, a permanent dot runner from Michaels to put those in. And I had 3 videos this week, which is kind of rare. And then I'm going back to Monday, and I just wrote that career day prep kicked into high gear. We had a big meeting about it, so it happened on Friday, and we just basically spent the whole week prepping for it. And then I put down this black watercolor half box, or third box I guess, with the little runner, but I put it on the side to mark that I had a really good swim, but then I messed up my handwriting and I'm going to pick that up. And then I just wrote underneath, I'm enjoying swimming, but it is so hard sometimes, because it is. I get so tired. So I tried to make this work here, but it just wasn't working. So I pulled the same box from Exo Mama Plans and just in yellow and did the same thing and just rewrote it. Still not great, but whatever. And then on to Tuesday, I put down this flag, but I'm going to move that because the little shirt was also blue. So I took an orange flag instead. And then I'm taking this little appointment label with a little laptop to mark that I worked on my blog for a while that evening. I know it looks like it's in the morning, but I just planned kind of chronologically. And school, nothing really happened. And then I put down this flag with the little t-shirt to mark that it was such a pretty day outside and it was sunny and warm for the first time in a long while. And I took a long walk, and I want winter to be over because I am over it. And then I just put worked on blog on that red label. And then I needed to fill some space down there. And I didn't have room for any more like happy planner stickers. So I took some washi and put that down. This is wood washi. And I use that as a background to kind of just fill space. And then popped this washi strip in the middle. I think it looks kind of cool. And then I took this quote from Oprah and put that up at the top on Wednesday. And then I put it on a little gold flag and put that I really feel good this week. Is it the exercise, diet, self-care, or a combo of all and more? Question mark. And I put probably everything. I just have to keep pushing forward. I was going to stop it in the middle there, but I wanted to write a little bit more. And then I used this washi strip that has some of the orange on it as a divider. And I just took some deco, this little lamp. I had to use that lamp. It's so cute. And put, I'm finally done with SVU. Woo! Because it took me since July to finish all of the seasons of Law & Order SVU. And then I put down this brick half box with the little desk to mark that we were prepping for a career day. That took up pretty much my whole day. And I wrote that I felt like I was missing something the whole day, but it all came together. And I love our leadership team because we work so well together. We just get along. We argue sometimes, but it's for the best. It always works out. And then I put down this full box, which I love, with all the watercolors on it. And then I went to go find a yoga sticker to mark that I did some yoga and I put yoga after a crazy day always helps. And then up at the top, I put this half box vertically along with some more of the deco that I wanted to use. No particular reason, I just thought it fit in that spot, and put career day on there. And then I'm just going to write a little bit about career day, that it went so well. I was in awe the whole time. It was so well organized and all the hard work was worth it. It was so much work, but it was probably the best event we've ever done. It was huge for like my tiny school, and we did awesome and we got really good feedback. So my reward that night was some tacos. So I just used a quarter box with the little food icon. And then I put the movie marquee and wrote more Black Mirror. Gosh, I'm trying to finish that show, but it's so intense. Now I have these little Munchkin stickers with the FaceTime little Munchkin, and I put that on a half box and put FaceTime with Grayson and Callie, which is my nephew and my sister. And then I decided to mark that I spent a lot of time filming, so I just used this appointment label from the freebie and put tons of filming because I really did film a lot. I had to catch up on some things. And then at the bottom, I put down the little vacuum with the brick half box to mark that I had a late night cleaning sesh. I spent several hours cleaning at like midnight. I don't know what my deal was, but I just wanted it to be done and not have to do it on Sunday. And then I put this blue flag down with the pizza and put watch some Godless and had pizza. So I started watching Godless on Netflix. I need to go back and finish it because I put it down for a little while. And then I put that full box with all of the artwork on it, which is cool. And then I needed to fill some space on Sunday because I ran out of full boxes. And so I just took some washi strips and put those behind this little quote from Happy Planner that says, "Your heart knows the way." And I really just picked it because it was red and it had like cool script. But I like the quote too. And then I put this love sticker from Happy Planner also up at the top with the little like art supplies deco. And then I put this label down with some pancakes because I decided to sleep in a little bit, and then I woke up and made me some pancakes. So those pancakes are from Plans with Finesse. And then I put down this red label, but I'm going to pull that up because it didn't really fit, like the spacing wasn't right, but I did put on there dropped Godless and picked up ER. ER is on Hulu now, and I remember my mom watching that show and she liked it, and so I thought I would give it a shot, and I really do like it. So I tried to move up that red label and it just, I didn't like it next to the one that was really similar above it, so I took that up. And then I put down the orange label and then this glitter flag with the TV. And then on the orange label, I just added the little red car and put so many errands because I just like waited until Sunday because I knew it was a 4-day week or 3-day weekend. And then over in my journaling section, I just put down some of this deco because I had to use it. It was so cute. So I decided to put them on the sides of the lines so I could like write around them. And that worked out really well. And then I'm just kind of placing the leftover deco wherever it fits. So I wrote, I feel very motivated right now, but I'm worried about how grad school is going to affect me. I will have to adapt to still include all of the things that I love to do because I know they are good for me and they help me cope better. So that is something that I am really like thinking about right now. Planning is important to me, so I gotta make it a priority. So this kit was so big, I kind of had a hard time putting everything together, but I love how this turned out. I actually skipped some of my pictures because I didn't think they were really necessary. They weren't like important pictures. It just wasn't one of those weeks. So this is very like journal heavy, which I kind of like because this week was like very reflective and a good week. So let me zoom in and give you a closer look and you can see a little closer. Okay, this is a quote from Oprah from the Emmys. It says, "Speaking your truth is the most powerful tool we all have." I love that quote. And I forgot to snip off the bottom of the picture, but that's okay. Yeah, this is just so pretty. I love the clip art from this. I almost want to buy another one. I don't think they're available anymore, but gosh, I love this kit. It's just beautiful. I included some Happy Planner stickers. Yeah, I love this so much. It's so cool. And as like a companion to the other spread, like they look so different. So like this one has much more like pops of color. And then this one is like a little more dark and cool. I like it a lot. So thank you so much for joining me for this memory spread. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and come back and see me next week. Bye!